am back, Earth friends, and today I encountered a creature that made me feel very small indeed. I was landing my spaceship in a beautiful golden grassland called a savannah, and I nearly crashed into something. I looked up, and up, and up, and there it was! A creature with the most impossibly long neck I have ever seen on any planet. The neck was as tall as my spaceship. On my planet, all creatures have short necks. Even the tallest animal on Pixelon has a neck the size of my arm. But this creature, they call it a giraffe, has a neck up to 6 meters tall. Today, we find out exactly why. Let us go. So here is my big question today. Why do giraffes have such incredibly long necks? Now, I thought the answer was obvious. To reach leaves at the top of tall trees, right? But here is the extraordinary thing. Scientists discovered that is not the main reason. Giraffes actually spend a lot of time eating grass from the ground, bending their long necks all the way down. So if the neck was only for reaching high leaves, why make it so inconveniently long that you have to awkwardly bend it down to drink water? The real reason is something much more dramatic, and I could not believe it when I found out. So why do giraffes really have long necks? The answer involves evolution and fighting. Male giraffes compete with each other for mates, and their main weapon is their neck. They have battles called necking, where two male giraffes stand side by side and swing their long necks and heads at each other like enormous biological clubs. The giraffe with the longest and heaviest neck usually wins, and the winner gets to pass on his genes, including his long neck genes, to the next generation. So over millions and millions of years, each generation, the giraffes with the longest necks won more fights, had more babies, and passed on their long neck genes. Until today, 6 meters! This process is called natural selection. The idea that useful traits get passed down through generations because they give an advantage. Charles Darwin, a famous earth scientist, discovered this idea. But here is something that also helped. Longer necks did help with eating too. Giraffes with longer necks could reach leaves other animals could not reach, so they had more food and survived longer. So the neck grew long for 2 reasons: fighting and eating, working together over millions of years. And here is one more incredible giraffe fact. A giraffe's neck contains the same number of bones as your neck, just 7 bones. But each bone is enormous, up to 28 centimeters long. On my planet, we just have one long, smooth neck tube. Much simpler. Fun fact time! Did you know a giraffe's tongue is 45 to 50 centimeters long, and it is dark purple in color? A dark purple tongue! Scientists think the dark color protects the tongue from sunburn because giraffes spend so much time using their tongues to grab leaves in the hot sun. I tried sticking my tongue out in the sun, and it was fine. But then again, I am an alien. And one more. A giraffe's heart weighs around 11 kilograms and is 60 centimeters long, the largest heart of any land animal, to pump blood all the way up that enormous neck to the brain. Did you know? Giraffes sleep standing up, not lying down like you or me, standing completely upright on all 4 legs. And they only sleep for about 30 minutes per day. 30 minutes! I sleep for 8 hours on my planet, so this is very impressive to me. And here is another one. Giraffes can run at 56 kilometers per hour. That is faster than most humans can cycle. Those long legs are not just for reaching water awkwardly. They are also rocket boosters. And the most incredible one of all. Baby giraffes are born 1.8 meters tall. That is taller than most adult humans. And they can walk within just a few hours of being born. On my planet, our babies cannot walk for 3 whole years. Earth animals never stop surprising me. Tell your family these fun facts tonight. Quiz time! Question 1. What is the main reason giraffes evolved such long necks? A. To look over fences. B. Winning fights and reaching food other animals cannot reach. C. Because they like being tall. Count to 3 in your head. The answer is B. Long necks helped win necking battles and reach leaves no other animal could get. You are so smart! Question 2. How many neck bones does a giraffe have? A. 50. B. 1 very long bone. C. 7. The same as humans, just much bigger. The answer is C. 7 neck bones. Exactly the same number as you. Just each one is up to 28 centimeters long. Well done, Earth friends! And that is why giraffes have such long necks. Long necks helped win battles, helped reach food, and over millions of years, natural selection made them longer and longer. 6 meters tall, 7 neck bones, a purple tongue, and a heart the size of a basketball. Giraffes are truly extraordinary Earth creatures. Now I have to go, but next time I want to find out how ants carry 50 times their own body weight. A tiny ant carrying objects many times larger than itself. Pure muscle, no machines. On my planet, we use machines for this. Extraordinary! Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss it. Pixelo!